Django environment. This app needs installing. Let's just have a quick look. Settings. We've got test table, apps, test table config. Okay, or you can use the short version, which is available on new versions of Django. Right, back to the app. Now, let's say that's it actually, that's up and running. Let's say we can't remember what we're doing, so we just type in Python manage. And we have a quick look up and down the, yes, there we go, right at the bottom. Due to the alphabet, and this being called text table. Can't remember. Do we have a help? Not sure. Help? Right, if we just use raise test table, we see there are a set of tables available, or models to be honest. Perhaps the name of the app should be test model, never mind. The tables are given size and we're told how many calls there are in them. And you have a choice of exciting and interesting table data to install. Let's raise test table then, shall we, for Bible books. Now, this line here, this may take some time. You really should take this literally. It may take anything up to 8 hours, believe it or not, if I have to use very underpowered computers. Just have a look at the size of star. It has 87,000 entries. There's no real bulk insert going on here. There's no super fast scripts, so that'll take quite some time. This one happened very quickly. Bible books. It says the model, and it doesn't actually say anything about the model, but it says the DB table has been installed, Bible books. Let's just go and have a look to see if we have anything going on here. We'll go into the environment shell, shall we? And we'll type from test tables dot models import Bible books. We'll spell that correctly. Got there. As a general sort of overview, let's can we do this? I can't remember if we can do this from here. Oh no, let's just get an object. Let's have a quick look back at the information. Bible Books has 80 entries. Let's have a little stab. I don't know. Somewhere in the Old Testament? Oh, I need to get. Now that looks promising, doesn't it? Let's actually stash that and do what we were going to do earlier. Just ask something about this. Lots of general information if you scan down, but interesting at the top are various particular entries. We've got an ID, and we have apparently some names to do with various editions of the Bible. If you can hear the telephone, that's because I work in a continually disrupted environment. I never get any kind of peace or continuity in my work, and I certainly cannot work on a continued session. And it's dark and I'm having to work underneath my bedclothes anyway. Let's have a quick look again after the disruption. DV, Orth and James. Aha, it has a different name, that particular Bible book, in another Bible. So you can see we have the names of the various Bible books roughly mapped across the different editions of the Bibles. If you'd like to actually see the information, it's stored in a very simple way. I mean, the source material is. You can see it's collected if we just go into the test table app underneath CSV. These are all just big CSV files. So in fact you could view this if you liked. Let's have a quick view of this. You can see we looked up number 20 there. Right, and let's get rid. We'll just cancel that. That was our analysis of what was in there. And should get rid of the table. The app handles all the various removing of content types and removing the table and the model tracking for you. So that's it. It will have gone now. No, I don't need to prove that. Like I say, there are several tables available. Colour, language, country, minerals, and the rather immense star, which is data on visible stars.